that was so lame. Yo, what's up, massive? Welcome to another tech review video, but this is actually more or less an unboxing or unpackaging slash overview of a device, you know what I'm saying? Yeah. Now, this is definitely 100.1% sponsored video, so shout out to Morphone. They are a store on Amazon, electronic store. So yeah, this is where this came from, and thank you guys for working with your boy. All right, so anyways, let's get into this video and not waste too much time, or if any at all. All right, so basically this is a microphone that you can clip on. Basically, yeah, that's what you're supposed to do, clip on. It's not cordless, it's actually a corded one, but the thing is, it has a very long cord. It's a 5-foot cord, plus you get a 20-foot extension cable with it. All right, so let's get into this. It's also called a dual track Lavalier Microphone from Morphone. All right, so this works with it works with your cell phone, tablet, computer, whether it be a laptop, desktop. You get your DSLR camera and also your camcorder. All right, so yeah, let me get, it comes in this like stuff. Like, obviously you get your box, and then you get this little pouch that you can store in, waterproof pouch, and then you have this box right here, or well, not really a box but a case. Now this case feels sturdy AF, you know what I'm saying? The price for this microphone is $19.96. Link to it on Amazon is right there in the description, so you can just click there, go over and just make the purchase. All right, if you're looking for, well, obviously you're watching this video means you're looking for something like this. All right, so the case is very strong, you know what I'm saying? It's made of more like foam and leatherette, but not the cheap leatherette, and it doesn't smell. You know, sometimes you buy stuff or you get stuff from overseas or the store or wherever, and you smell it has this like high manufacture, like it just smells high and just unbearable. Can barely smell anything with this, and the scent that you get from this actually smells nice. So yeah, good for, you know what I'm saying? Like, yeah, the zipper design, come on, can you zone in on this? Look at this. Ooh, look at this design. Now tell me if this isn't something you would want to have. You know what I'm saying? This is nice. Oh, if you see that, like, that's just a little threading, but yo, you don't have to worry about that. You know what I'm saying? It's still started out. Yeah, so let's open this and see what we get inside. So when you open it, you have your little nets on the two different sides, and you have your components. So first thing we're going to take out, the batteries. You know what I'm saying? These batteries right here. Okay, so you get two LR44 batteries. These work with the microphone. Obviously, that's why they're there. You know what I'm saying? You have this this adapter here. I feel like if I'm doing a makeup video or whatever, like when the girls have their makeup videos, they're like, oh, look at my makeup, look at my lipstick and my blush and my black and my blah 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 blah, like, you know what I'm saying? But anyways, yo, we got this here. This here is if you have what do you call it? That stuff, not switchboard. Oh, I forgot the thing. But anyways, yeah, your mixer board or whatever, and you need to plug in your microphone into that. But obviously, it comes with this here, this little plug right here, the 3.5mm jack. So you need your adapter. This, I think, is a 6 point something or 6-inch one, whatever. So you can basically put it in here, and snaps in really well. Got good grip to it. Yeah. So this is definitely holding well. And yeah, but anyways, the second thing that I have here, this is the extension cable. Now, yeah, let me just open this. This is probably not a good idea, but yeah, just for y'all to see. This here is 20 feet. Okay, this is a 20-foot extension cable. I mean, I don't even know why the heck I'm doing this, because it's not like if I can show you like me extending it out to actually 20 feet inside the little space that I have. But yeah, this is actually a 20-foot cable, and you will see more of this when I do the comprehensive review in another video. So yeah, I'm not gonna it makes no sense for me to do it out. But this cable is long AF, you know what I'm saying? So yeah. Next, what do we have here? We have an extra clip where you clip on your microphone to your garment. It is made of, what is it made of now? Oh, it's not made of plastic. This is actually, okay then, this little part here, this little hook thing here, this is made of a plastic, but the entire clip is a metallic clip. Yeah, metallic clip. And it is, yeah, you need to apply some serious force to open this, so this will stay on to your freaking clothes. Let me see, like, yep, stay on to your clothes. So that's a good thing. So you get an extra clip. What else you have in here? In here you have two little pop filters. You have two extra pop filters. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, you have these two right here. Oops, one just dropped a while, and that's that part. It comes with a user guide, and see, you know, user guide right there. Basically, basic rundown of the stuff you have and how to use it and whatever. Now for the main part of this whole entire package, which is the microphone itself, and here we are. So this is the microphone right here. It also it comes with two of the pop filters or windshields already attached to them. Let me take them off so we can see how it, you know, how it looks under it. And this is how it looks. Kind of look like Lego pieces or mine. What do call it? Roblox character heads. But yeah, it looks really cool. And then you have your clip up here. So here's where your clip would go. So that's what I said. You get an extra clip, plus you get two extra windshields or pop filters, you know, as they're commonly known as. Yeah, so but this cable here, this here is actually 5 feet long, so you have a good length place. So you you plug this in basically like this, you know. Sorry, because I just took out the pop filters, but don't watch nothing. So yeah, you have it like this, and then you would have your, where's my camera? Okay then, say I had my GoPro, hell, alright, my GoPro is off the thing, right? But check this out. So you would have like your microphone hook up to your DSLR camera or your point and shoot or camcorder or whatever. Then you be vlogging like this. You plug it into the side and you're vlogging like this. And you know, obviously you have your microphone here, so the audio will come out really nice. You know what I'm saying? So you don't have to worry about all of that noise around and all that. That's basically the general idea of having this. So yeah. What else now? So on this here now, you have basically like the control part. Now we'll get more in depth with this when I do the actual, you know, the testing and the in-depth comprehensive review video. But this is just, as I said, this is an unboxing, unpackaging, and overview of what the contents inside of the package. All right, so you get this, you get the Morphone brand on it, and you get the on and off switch. I'll go more into that later on in the next video. And let me see, screw this open. And here you will have a battery in here to help, you know, power up your microphone. Now you don't need to have the power on the microphone when it comes to certain devices, but as I say, we'll get more into that in the next video, so stick around and I will give you more details in the upcoming video for Tech Tuesday. You know, yeah. So basically that is it for this overview, and just, you know, just quick overview of what you get when you buy this setup. But anyways, link to the product is in the description area, and I will link the new video when it comes out with this one, so you can see how, you know, we test this out in the field, you know, out there in open, you know, when we go around and do stuff. So yeah, I'll be hooking up to a Canon M50 DSLR camera, a you know, regular cell phone, and also a laptop and a Samsung Galaxy tablet. So we'll basically see across the board how it works on these different devices. So yeah. Anyways, thanks for checking out the video right here at KK Vlogs, tech review, unboxing, overview, whatever. Yeah. So once again, this is the dual track lavalier microphone from the seller Morphone on Amazon. Link in the description. And yeah. So I will see you all in the comprehensive review later on. Alright, so thanks for checking out the video, and enough respect massive, you done know. Hey yo, peace out, love, live life always. Rah.